I see a kiss a mother upon her mouth.
Pops can't. Pops YG they all over blood clot TikTok and bring down blood clot people. Pops can't bring blood clot me down. Pops can't bring me down. Pops cannot bring me down.
So I go on people, big up on yourself. Remember to like and share and subscribe and watch the ads. Yeah, people more on the run, go on my story on Instagram. I'm more out enough to click the link and you will enter into our next channel when we post beer things pan here, you see me? Yeah man, so just run over the channel, click the link pan the story and you go over the channel. Beer things me post and I post daily. And we soon start giving some credit over there as well. Yeah man, so people, I want to tell you say yo, Pops YG and a Catty have you out wicked on the social media thing. You see me I say? Yeah man, and me I tell you say Catty come like Advan in her upcoming TikToker. You see me I say? Yeah man, cause the vibes that she bring and she not afraid to say nothing. You see me I say? She outspoken and he must say Pops YG a preem because say him about Pops YG one way, you see it. So I'm not gonna get some of the clippings and where she have to say, you see me? And up next we have what I my girl named Annie with TikTok police, you see me I say? Yeah man, and the youth will deal with the dog thing bro. Yo like the dog I say, yo, you know to say your mother that man, you cannot kiss your mother. John no me this up the woman. I feel a way still for the lady still. As me I say, cause I say lady I'm an old woman and TikTok police I'm a little boy. John no star. So me know you know want me. You go watch the full video. So guys stay tuned. You see me I say? I remember to give video a like.
Pops can't. Pops YG they all over blood clot TikTok and bring down blood clot people. Pops can't bring blood clot me down. Pops can't bring me down. Pops cannot bring me down. And you know why Pops can't bring me down? Because everybody know me as a cocksucker. Nobody don't know me as a batty wall. Because I don't walk and name out batty wall. Pops is an ungrateful blood clot boy. You're ungrateful and your blood clot bad mind. And me prove it so you want bad mind. Me and you they come from far. From far, me and your blood clot come from. Me and you guys same high school. Me and you and others was one of the baddest blood clot set up pitney we got try eye. And then put we a camp. Then put we a blood clot camp. We get counseling or something. Then put we a camp. And me and you and others got blood clot camp. So till we did there, we meet new friends.
Alright, so guys, you can hear what she says. She and Pops YG using at the same school. You see me, them give trouble a like. They have to get all counseling. You can see it from Pops. The Pops are troublemaker for a long time. Yeah man, so you saying go to try school and a classmate. Yeah man, so John no star must say Pops are pan her wicked, you know. Jaja. You see me? So that thing she come on the social media and talk so your Pops easy himself and tap this her up. You see it?
When we meet new friends, we never left out one another because we know say where we come from one place. So with me now go this here, you now go this me. But as soon as your blood clot find out say me a suck hood, you get in your feelings and have a problem with me and your hood. Why you bad mind so? Why you bad mind so? You is a man and me is a woman. You can't do what me do. You cannot do.
So basically, Catty B I say, yo, Pops YG kind of preem after Pops YG learn, say, that's her style. As she stay, Pops YG no want to be friend with her again. You see me, I say, maybe she do certain things, because Pops YG I say, I'm mad, girl, that you know. So maybe you do a kind of thing differently from saying bow as being bow pan. She bow pan man, you see me? Maybe you do other things.
You have a problem. Are you a man? I'm sure you say you want bad mind blood clot boy. You's a bad mind boy for you know me. You never yet look for me and say, yeah beg. None of that.
She has say like Pops YG never asked her for nothing yet, you see it? So Pops YG never make her no front yet or no talking her. So you see me I say, maybe Pops YG ain't even straight. From Pops YG know him. Pops YG never beg him nothing.
You never said to me, but as soon as me a suck a next man would you catching on your blood clot feelings. I go class me suck good girl re. And me a win blood clot friend like a so. And me a win friend like so.
So guys, put it in the comment section. Tell me what you think. You think Pops YG does have her as a little sister, you know, as a little best friend, so you don't really want beg her them thing there. You know, them little person, well, you just have them as a sister, you just have them as a brother, you know, you're not across the line. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Or not just feel like say Pops YG. I don't know if Pops YG type or Pops YG in her straight, as she say. What you think? Put it in the comment section, you see me?
Yesterday, a girl, me not even can call she name because I don't remember the last part of her name. But she, the girl will always come over TikTok here. Where always I go live with Dante. She named Princess. Yesterday, the girl had me on the live. Two dirty pops have moderator. Dirty pops take me out of box. I can't talk about. No, them are mad people upon live. Pops.
Yeah, Pops YG, I'm like confused, brother still, you know, Jaja, that are disrespecting our like still. See me, I say, yes, and I had them a mad people up on live. You know, say mad people in my work out the thing right now, and them, I feel them thing are going, you know, if you don't notice. Yeah, man, if you don't have a vibes in our work, you have to act madish, you see me? Yeah, man, so, I don't know. Everything is an entertainment, you see me? Take when you take her out of box, same way as an entertainment, because we don't talk about it right now, and she won't get so upset neither. You see me? I say, so, certain things happen still, you see me?
I see a kiss her mother upon her mouth.
I say kiss it down there upon her mouth.
What a boy facing. In facing people, Jano Star. May I tell you, yo, from what you see the TikTok of them a couple up and think, I didn't know Jaden and my girl and Fabi. You see me? And it work out good for them. I don't know if it's an acting thing or you see me, just a look of promotion or it's just a shout out thing. We have doing shout out nowadays by coupling up because how much other people there in the world still and they all coupling up together as TikTokers. You see me I say? So I don't know if it work out more better. It have to. You see me I say? So I don't know if this one is real or is just for promotion purpose. But see you TikTok police kiss her upon her mouth there. So I don't know. Jano and this a boy a pop one style. I say yo, are your mother that? And he don't know say I know you mother. Yeah man, so you see police, TikTok police and Annie go out on date and from there, you know them they together. You see me I say so make we watch how it work out now. Yeah man, so make we watch the other piece of clip of this a youth I say to them, you see me? It's fun, man I tell you. I laugh till me weak.
That big mouth man here.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know.
And her mother.
Yeah, passing for. You can hear him?
I woman. I lie. But the woman look like him about 3 times in age.
You're too blood clot wicked. I wonder if you use condom when you deal with the dog them.
No. Raw.
Raw? Mind you tell me all the pig what they
You can't breed. Not true, you pass the stage of breeding. You can't go give him no pitney.
Why you want to know that? You want to give him one?
Why you?
Eh?
So such a young boy you pick up or make you pick up such a young boy.
What that have to do with you? Why you always
Not even start growing like a mustache yet.
But answer my question them now. You ask me question and you not answer mine. Why go
I don't make a nice couple still. I don't make a nice couple here. Keep it up.
Yeah, you too. I like how you look with the pig.
Yeah. You see when time I kiss him, I see time I kiss him and he bite on my lip.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, hey man I tell you. I know I chat up with me man. If I never for my nuggets them, I take care for this long time.
Guys, push up a score team.
Remember that.
So stop the bomb buckler chatting.
How are you? How are you? I hear you pick up all the man.
You, country boy, if you play a match, you play a match.
I hear you pick up all the man. How are you?
Yeah, boy, name out your mother, man. You see, that's why I disrespect them more while I say, baby. Hey, boy, I'm going to name out your mother.
Guys, push up the score.
A matter of fact, go name out the dog them where you grow. Come on, no. Say, them say dog is a man best friend, you know. But you have too much of them drunk, bro.
Guys.
So guys, put it in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think. Is it me I say? Remember if you like the video. Remember if you give video one like, subscribe.